Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. Now, this afternoon, we are going to show you another Chevelle. Yep, 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle Super Sport, 396 underneath the hood, 400 turbo, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, disc brakes on the front, factory air conditioning, beautiful Cortez silver paint. This car was frame off, rotisserie restored 7 years ago, and it's absolutely beautiful. The paint's very, very nice. The body, the interior, you can see I took pictures of, and I'll show you here in a little bit, of the quarter panels. The numbers are still stamped on the quarter panels. It's got the correct SS wheels on it with the BF Goodrich Radial TA, raised white letters. The door gaps on this car, the body lines are as good as you're gonna get. I mean, honestly, it's just a super nice, very clean, very solid car. I love this Cortez silver. I think it's just gorgeous. And the 69 Chevelles are one of my favorite years as well. Bucket seats, factory bucket seats, factory center console, horseshoe shifter. The jams are very nice. The sill plates are beautiful. The interior is gorgeous. Seats, carpeting, headliner, sail panels, package tray, dome light works, visors are in great shape, padded dash looks beautiful, correct SS steering wheel. Door panels look great. Doors look beautiful. They open and shut great. I've always been a big fan of this Cortez silver. I just think it's so sharp. There's the inside of the trunk. Jack instructions. Man, this is a gorgeous car. The chrome bumpers, stainless trim and bright work, all new. They look great. There's the number stamped on the quarter. There's a little dirt there. I got rid of that for you. It happens. Same way with this side, see? Numbers stamped in them. Stainless around the windows, look great. It's got a soft ray tinted glass in it all the way around. The glass in this car, I got the windows down, but the glass is gorgeous, beautiful, no scrapes or scratches or chips or anything like that that I can see. I know everybody's all crazy about the 70 Chevelles, but man, I tell you what, I'm almost a bigger fan of the 69s, to be honest with you. There it is, 396 aluminum intake, factory AC, has been retrofitted to 134. It does work. Factory exhaust manifolds, HEI distributor. Man, just they didn't spare any expense on this car when they built it, did they? We'll go around and we'll start this bad boy up for you. Same way with this side. Jams, very nice. Sill plates. It does have a tilt steering column. The clock works. The gauges work. It's got a tack dash. It's got all the gauges in the dash. Find the right square key here. There we go. Dome light works. the gauges in the dash all work. That tach's not working. I'll look into that for you. Left turn, right turn, stereo. Man, what a nice car. It's got the USB plug right there for the radio, so you can attach it to your phone and play music. What a nice car. Tail light, license plate light, turn signal. Sounds great, runs great. We're gonna go drive it here in just a minute. There's no bubbles, there's no blisters, there's no real imperfections anywhere that I can see on this car. It's just a beautiful car. See, I seen these on this window edge here has got 1, 2, 3 small tiny little imperfections right there. That's like the only thing on this whole car that I even see. And you know, here at Kinion Classics, we try to show you everything on these cars and tell you as much about them as we know. It's just so much fun. When you get cars like this in here, you know, we sell quality cars. When you get a car like this in here, they're just so much fun. It's so easy to work on. It's so easy to sell. Buy quality shit, and it always sells. You know? Cheap things aren't good. Good things aren't cheap, folks. Air blows cold. And what do you know? Now it just starts to frickin' sprinkle. I'll still run you down the road quick. What a great car. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com. Give us a call. We have a few 69 Chevelles in stock. A few different colors to choose from. I got an orange one, I got a maroon one, I got a green one, I got the silver one. I think I'm getting a blue one here pretty soon again. Just a very, very nice, clean, beautiful, rotisserie restored 69 Chevelle. I'll get out and do the walk around here like I usually do for you. Got a little rain in here. Can't drive in there today. It's been so wet here as of lately. It just seems like we got rain every day for the last week. I mean, I'm not saying we don't need the rain, but gorgeous chrome bumper. If you're looking for a car you can jump in and drive today, this is it. Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450, KinionAuto.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a great afternoon, everyone.